All right, here is valuation on Willow Creek Terrace. Um, yeah, it looks like a pretty good home. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,500 square feet. Let's just go through the pictures real quick. Nice exterior, upgraded. Um, the sunken living room there. Like some upgrades throughout the property. New cabinets. Nice flooring. Yeah, looks like some pretty good updates throughout the property. Um, Looks like updated carpet as well. Really nice carpet. Updated flooring there. Nice backyard. Yeah, pretty good features. Looks like a 520. Looks like it's been on the market for a week now. Seller to review as they submitted. Okay. So we're looking at a 520 list price. This is the competition. Yeah, I don't even think it matches. This one's looks like it's overpriced. Yeah, even the flooring is not as good. The yard's not as good either. Um, so that's been on the market for 13 days. So, all right. So this is the pending. This one been pending in 4 days. Yeah, this one I've seen. This one is nice as well. Vaulted ceilings, updated bathrooms. So this one is 485. Yeah, definitely gone off the market. Pending in 5 days. Same. It's on Rock Road. So this one's updated as well. 475. Okay, so this one is Blaine. This one's sold. Yeah, no updates. Old countertops. Even at 450, 471. So this is a $50,000 difference between yours and $50,000. Let's see what the bathrooms are. Yep. Oh wow, this yard is massive. So $50,000. Yeah, I would say with the updates, this is at 430. Went 45,000 above. All right, so we know it's above 500 for sure. That's a no-brainer. All right, this is vaulted ceilings. Nice and updated. Nice. So 475. This one went for 488, 12 days on the market. Yeah, this one's nice. So this one's 488. I think this one's right next. Ooh. Actually, busy street. So 488. You're looking. Yeah, about. That was on a busy street, so no bueno. So this is updated as well. Not as updated. This one sold for 500. This one is, yep, same side of the street. I think ours is Willow Creek right here. Good comparable. This one went above 10,000. 500. Yeah. Yeah, I think the valuation is there. Oh, this one's nice. This is just painted cabinets, so not too bad. The center island is new. Let's see. Nice fix and flip. I hate these sinks, but not bad. Skylight. The yard's not as nice. This one went for 510. 92 days on the market. 215. Not too bad. Yeah, 520. I think you give them at the list price. You give them what they want, and then the contingency. Yeah, we're past inspections. We should be getting the appraisal here soon. I think for your situation, 520. Yeah, this one's not bad. Vaulted ceilings, updated kitchen, updated bathrooms. Let's see the backyard. Yeah, yours is better. That one's small. So this one went for 525. Yeah. I think you're good in terms of valuation. This one's nice, better location. I think I saw this one. Yeah, this one's nice as well. That one for 530. Yes. Oh, this is right on the same street. Willow Creek. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. And that one went to 555. $30,000 more. Yeah, I would say so. I like your yard. I like the yard better. So yeah, I like this one as well. So this one is right off the street. So yeah, 520. I think it's a good deal, especially your contingent offer. I like it. I like it. I like it. So, all right. I think that the valuation is there. So let's go ahead and submit the offer.